Hello to all my viewers. This is Dr. Dhaval Maheta, and today we will understand what is column splitter in KNIME. So for this, we will go in the KNIME Analytics platform. I'll activate the table creator. I'll double click on it. Now I will again double click on this node. Rows and columns will appear. So in the first column, I will enter A, B, and C. And in the second column, I will enter D, E, and F. Deliberately, I'm not entering anything here or anything here. Press apply, click OK. Now right click on it and execute the node. Let's see the manually created table. ABC, there are question marks because there are missing observations, and similarly we are having a missing observations here also. Now we want to split this. What we'll do, I'll activate from here the column splitter. Double click on it. Now both the nodes will get connected. Right click, configure. So you can select either column 1 or column 2. Let me select column 1. Apply, click OK. And I will execute this node. Now when you right click on it, splitted table top partition. So you will be able to see DEF. Now when I select splitted table bottom partition, ABC, you can see that the data has been divided into two parts. So this is a way you can use column splitter in KNIME. For more videos on KNIME, you can subscribe to my channel. You can follow me on LinkedIn and Twitter. Please refer my playlist in which I have already uploaded many videos on KNIME.